You know what it is Zenitsu, and very excited. This is from Meesho, and this is set on Meesho, and no wonder why, because cost. Like everybody wants to have one action figure on their own to show, or just to have it for themselves. Doesn't has to for like showing people. It can be for anything, and this is all total makes sense. And this is about 15 centimeter, so, and has this space plate, and usko aap aisa, there is only one hole. So I'll just zoom it in and just show you. This is how it looks, and let's just fit it nicely. Yes, and it is done. So this is how it looks. Very nice yellow, like mustard yellow color, and has that hair wala shade. The eyes and the face look little off, like, to be fair. It has that sort of it, but it's not in that classic pose. But the dress, this cut right, and cosplay में इसका बहुत आता है, like बहुत सारा cosplay में आता है. This, just look at it, belt wala. But 244 में with the base and everything, and a 15 centimeter, that thing, you are asking for too much if you are just like कि नहीं नहीं ये भी होना चाहिए भी नहीं चाहिए. Face का, it's not like as a spray painted, but they have like gone there. And दूर से and Zenitsu का, but doesn't look Zenitsu. It's like afraid he is supposed to be. But if I just close it in more bit, if you want to take that, just look at it. Like, do you see? It looks nice, but if you like a very closer look, but अगर आप दूर से देखोगे, it is okay. Like, but 244, you can't complain much about it. Looks nice, हर तरीके से, हर angle से. This is amazing. So yeah, link in the description for this. Bye bye. Thank you.